I ripped my stepsister a new one after she announced her exciting news. I'm a younger sister to Lori, 23F. Me and Lori have never been close since we had different dads. I was an affair baby. She's always resented me for ruining her family, but whatever. Lori has 6 kids. Yes. 6. Twin boys Beck and Joe who are 7, planned, a girl Liliana who's 6, unplanned, another girl, Angel who's 5. Planned, another boy, Keith who's 2, planned, and another baby boy Carl who's 9 months not planned. Despite the fact that Lori is incapable of taking care of these kids, 4 of them were actually planned. Because she knows my pushover mom will give her money and watch the kids. My mom even quit her job to do so, even turning her workroom into a nursery for Carl. We're pretty well off, but we can't do this forever. I try not to judge, and just ignore Lori like she does me. Even though when my mom is busy doing something like changing a diaper I have to step in and help. Especially with the twins since they're very rough with each other. Tonight at dinner Lori's boyfriend joined, a father to just Carl, as well as Lori's father. This wasn't abnormal so I didn't think anything of it, until my sister said she had some exciting news. I wished she'd say something else but I knew what she was going to say. I'm pregnant. She would say. Everyone went dead silent until I said bruh, followed with a silent what the F, but she heard that as well. I didn't mean to say it out loud, but come on. Lori gave me a death stare, and said if I wanted to say something I should just say it. So I did. Lori, this is your. I take a moment to count, 6th child. You know we can't keep supporting you. Without mom you'd be on the streets, and you know that. Look at mom, she's so tired. She's always taking care of your kids and so am I. I bet I've changed more diapers than you have, you selfish excuse for a mother. She began to cry. And ran out into her boyfriend's car, he follows her. And drove. My mother then began to cry. She left to go out Carl back to bed since he woke up. It was just me and Lori's father. He began to yell and told me I was a brat and Lori was a great mother, then he stormed off. As I'm sitting here in the morning watching the boys, I'm thinking, was I too obnoxious?